Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 3D miniature figure of yourself using AI. Select your photo or a photo of your pet. Actually, let me go to tools and select the create images one. It's going to use the Nano Banana image model. Add in your image and enter this prompt. I will put the prompt in the description box down below. Again, you can use this with any character, any person you want, anybody you want, any person that you want. And I'm just going to wait for it to kind of generate. It does take a few seconds to minutes. I think if you upgrade to Google AI Plus, it will take longer to generate. If it's in my budget, I might get it. But this is how it looks like. Super cool. It even has like snow, I guess. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.